Hi guys, my name is Jay Prakash and my topic for this presentation is PHP form handling. Forms are used to get input from the user and submit it to the web server for processing. We can create and use forms in PHP. To get form data, we need to use PHP super globals get and post. The form request may be either get or post. To retrieve data from get request, we need to use get command, and for post request, we need to use post command. Now let us discuss about PHP post form. Post request is widely used to submit form that have large amount of data such as file upload, image upload, login form, registration form, etc. The data passed through the post request is not visible on the URL browser. Hence, it is secured. You can send large amount of data through post request. Now let us see a simple example to receive data from post request in PHP. Here we use post command to retrieve data from the user, and this command is used to get the name of the user. This command is used to get email from the user. Now when the user fills out the form above and clicks the submit button, the form data is sent for processing to a PHP file named welcome.php. The form data is sent with HTTP post method. The output could be something like this. Welcome JP, your email address is jp.wt@example.com. Now let us discuss about get form. Get request is the default form request. The data passed through get request is visible on the URL browser, so it is not secured. You can send limited amount of data through get request. The same result of the above example could also be achieved using HTTP get method. See, here we use get method for retrieving data from the user. This command is used for retrieving name from the user. This command is used for retrieving email. The output could be something like this. Welcome JP, your email address is jp.wt@example.com. The output of the both examples is same. Now, since get and post methods both are used for retrieving data from the user, there are some similarities and differences between get and post method. First, let us have a look at similarities. Both get and post create an array. This array holds key value pairs, where keys are the names of the form controls and values are the input data from the user. Both get and post are super globals, which means that they are always accessible regardless of scope, and you can access them from any function or class or file without having to do anything special. Now let us see the differences between them. Get is an array of variables passed to the current script through the URL parameters, and post is an array of variables passed to the current script through the HTTP post method. Now let us see when we need to use get method. Information sent from a form with a get method is visible to everyone because all variable names and values are displayed in the URL. Get also has limits on the amount of information to send. The limitation is about 2000 characters. However, the variables are displayed in the URL, so it is possible to bookmark the page. This can be useful in some cases. Get may be used for sending non-sensitive data, and we should note that get should never be used for sending passwords and other sensitive information. Now let us see when we need to use post method. Information sent from post method is invisible to others. All names and values are embedded within the body of the HTTP request and has no limits on the amount of information to send. Moreover, post method supports advanced functionalities such as support for multi-part binary input while uploading files to server. However, because the variables are not displayed in the URL, it is not possible to bookmark the page. And this is about the form handling in PHP. Thank you.